शहीदों के मज़ारों पर लगेंगे हर बरस मेले। शहीदों के मज़ारों पर लगेंगे हर बरस मेले। वतन पे मरने वालों का यही बाकी निशा होगा। With this note, I'd like to start today's program. Namaste and a warm greeting to everyone present here. Sir, Madam, we truly appreciate your gracious presence on this occasion. I, on behalf of the school family, warmly welcome you all to this program. As we all are aware that today we are assembled here to celebrate Veer Gatha project initiated by CBSE. Under Veer Gatha project, our students were supposed to write an essays, poems, or do painting or enactment on two topics. The topics were If I Had Been, name of the Gallantry Award winner, what would have I done for my nation? The second topic was Name of the Gallantry Award winner motivates me to. Our students actively and enthusiastically participated in the project and did their best. Veer Gatha project is an initiative by CBSE so that our children should know about our brave hearts. Gallantry Award winner honor them and take motivation from them. These Gallantry Awards are announced twice in a year. First, on the occasion of Republic Day and second, on the occasion of Independence Day.
So, good morning everyone. My name is Rutvik Joshi from class 8. Today I am going to recite a poem in front of you. My poem's topic is Vikram Batra motivates me to join the Indian Army. As my grandfather was also in the Indian Army, so the both motivates me to join the Indian Army. Vikram Batra is one of the best gallantry. He devoted his life for our country. He motivates me to join the Indian Army. I want to join the army to serve my country. His death is the supreme sacrifice and life was full of conviction and upright. Soldiers don't know when glory's end will come, but they are not afraid to perform. Vikram Batra was one of the best gallantry. He devoted his life for our country. My salute to the brave soul for helping us to stand tall. Thank you.
Good morning to one now present here. I am Shreya Singh from grade 9A, studying Ujjati Pawar CBSE school. Today, I am going to deliver a speech on which gallantry award winner motivates me. Sir Vikram Batra, who won the gallantry award in the year 1999, motivates me in my life. Captain Vikram Batra was an officer at the Indian Army. He was awarded by the Paramveer Chakra, one of the most highest and prestigious awards given for the work of valor. For his act during the 1999 Kargil War and to capture the point 4875. The mountain has been named the Batra Stock since then. One of the selection centers in Allahabad also named a hall called the Vikram Batra's Block. Sir Vikram Batra motivates a lot of young minds. He motivated me to never give up, even if death is staring you. Sir Batra gave me courage to join the Indian Air Force one day. Now, as I mentioned, that Sir Vikram Batra was an officer at the Indian Army, you all may be confused that he was an officer at the Indian Army and I am talking about the Indian Air Force. Well, it's not a bad thing to take inspiration from someone of a different background. Although we both have the same intention, to see India, or as he used to say, Hindustan at the top and always secure. Gallantry award is not always about winning. The real meaning of gallantry is that when you're so determined to go to the search of excellence that you don't care about the odds coming your way. Sir Vikram Batra once said, I'll either come back after raising an Indian flag in victory or be wrapped in one. But I will come back for sure. This one quote of him inspired me a lot because it not only shows how fearless, courageous, bold he was, but also shows that he wasn't afraid of the challenges ahead. This one quote of him is give a message to the entire generation to not be scared of anything because who knows, the one step you may be scared of taking, that one single step could change your life forever. And by that I may conclude my speech. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Disha Patel from class 7. Today I will deliver a poem on Gallantry Award winner. So I'll start the poem. This is not just a medal of gallantry, it is a medal of love from the country. This is not just a medal, but it tells how soldiers fought so courageously. This is not just a medal, but it tells how soldiers fought so courageously. This is not just a medal, but it tells the pain that person who has saved our country. This is not just a medal of gallantry, but but it tells that the person who fought for our country, soldiers motivate me to join Indian Army and devoted his life for our country, because this is not a medal of gallantry, because this is not just a medal of gallantry, it is a medal of shining gallantry, it is a medal of shining gallantry. Thank you.
Good morning friends, this is Om Gugre from class 7 standing before you. Today I am going to give speech on Gallantry Award on topic, if I would be a Gallantry Award winner, what would I have done for my nation? If I would be a Vikram Batra, what would I have done for my nation? We cannot forget the big sacrifice of Vikram Batra. We cannot pay the price of the blood of Vikram Batra. He was the bravest of the bravest, given slogan, Dil Mange More, defined the some spirit of some bravest sons, soldiers of our country who has fought most of intense infantry battle till the Second World War, and he was also honored with Paramveer Chakra. I want to also become a gallantry soldier to give the devotion for our nations and maintain Asians in our country. Gallantry is gentleman's quality. Confidentship income overlays wolf. Gallantry means not sleeping with people. Gallantry means standing with the helpless, downtrodden, discriminated, forgotten, even if it is coming against entire army. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all present here. This is Anushka Sopandeshmukh from class 6th, and today I am going to convey the feel of each and every gallantry award winners in an poetic manner. I hope you all will like it. Risky is my every devotion, saving the nation, chanting my military incretion, sacrificing my life and my image to my nation. Sparking to burn for others, we are safeguards of mothers and fathers, fighting for brothers and sisters, forgetting like we don't have closers. Thank you.
Good morning everyone represented here. I am Anushka Sanke from class 7th, and today I am going to express my feelings on brave soldiers who won the Gallantry Award. Talent has no bounds of caste, creed, gender, religion or region. Whether black or white, every Indian has talent, and it doesn't matter to which country you belong to. Every Indian has talent and courage to prove themselves in their own way and succeed. Whereas everyone wants a table chair job, soldiers are fighting for us on the line of control to protect our families by sacrificing themselves. Have you ever seen a person having less but giving more? And that's the soldier they do. They have very less but gives more to the country. They have love, affection and courage. Gallantry is a word of bravery which shows India loves Queensland. Now, some of you might be wondering, why is Gallantry Award given? Is it that necessary? So yes, Gallantry Awards are necessary to respect the honor of the acts of bravery of the soldiers. It's given by President Ramnath Kovind to the armed forces. Recently, we all know that a movie named Sher Shah has been released, which was a code name of Captain Vikram Batra sir during a Kargil war, which he won, but he sacrificed. He sacrificed himself to protect the country and many lives. He gave up his life to save many lives. But he would be still alive in our own hearts. But for this bravery act, he won a Paramveer Chakra. Not just Captain Vikram Batra sir, but also Abhinandan Vardhaman sir, who won Veer Chakra to shot down Pakistani F-16 aircraft during an aerial combat on February after the 27 days led to the Balakot airstrike. Soldiers are the only person who says, "Tell my family not to cry because I am a soldier born to die." By saluting all the soldiers who sacrificed their life to save millions of lives, here I end my speech. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning all of you. I am Vaishnavi Vijay Zadav from grade 7. Today I am going to tell you my feelings on how I will feel if I will get the Gallantry Award. Before 200 years ago, India was the slave of British rule. In 1947, India get freedom from the British power after a hard and non-violent struggle. Our freedom fighters did very much for us, which was really inspiring. And now also we have to do like that works, which are not easy, which are not a common task. It's need the braveness struggle. And so who does this great works, they are awarded by Indian government on 26 January and 15 August by Gallantry Award. These awards are given to honor the act of braveness and sacrifices done by the armed forces officials. I think who get these awards, they are very lucky. They get respect, love from the people and award too. Sometimes I also think that what if I get the gallantry award, and many answers, thoughts comes in my mind that if I get gallantry award, when I will come to know it, firstly I would like to tell it to my most lovable persons of my life, means my mother and father. When they will come to know this, they will become very happy. They will feel very much proud of me. When all will come to know this, all will congratulate me, all will appreciate my work. On 26th January, when I will go to the program, that time all will congratulate me. When I will get hand over the award, all will clap. Whole India is seeing me from media live. The television is looking very bright because of me. That I will think. And media is clicking my photos. Everywhere there is my posters. Media is clicking my photos. There is big smile on my face. On next day there will be a big photo on newspaper's front page with big headlines. I will be very happy. When I will go to school, my school will award me again. I will feel very much happy. My teachers will proud of me. I will get very much happy. My happiness will touch to the sky. After coming home, I will see my award. I will feel very much happy. This will go on. But after some days and strange, if meet me, he will appreciate my work. He will congratulate me. Oh, I was imagining it. But it can come true if I done brave works for my Indian nation and if I tried it. Not only I, you can also do it. Just try to do brave works for your nation. Try and try, win and win. Success you will get. Thank you.